चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बृन्दावनमनोहरं देवं नारायणं वन्दे बृन्दावननिवासिनम् अनन्तगुणभूषिताः कोटिवात्सल्यरूपिणं हे राधिका प्रियजन हे ललिता गणानुग हे श्रीनारायण देव जयति कीर्ति सर्वदा वाञ्छाबन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudev, Nitya Priest Om Vishnupad, Ashtotar Sat Sri Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Gosai Maharaj, Nitya Priest Om Vishnupad, Ashtotar Sat Sri Bhakti Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj, all Sri Rupanu Guru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So we follow yesterday our beloved Gurudev's 100 years, birth of 100 years. So that is Gurudev's one special qualities. He is very simply and very easily which thing giving to us. This is like miracle. This is like magic. Because his real Rupanuga charges. Rup Goswami what filter from Mahaprabhu. That pure things Rup Goswami, our Gurudevs very easily distribute. What is we are thinking about Braj Bhakti? This is so highest things, so secret things. No one can open these things. By mercy of Mahaprabhu, Rup Goswami opened these all secret things. Gurudev always telling to us, Jang kali rupa sarirana dharata tang braja prema mahanidhi kutirika kaun kapata ugharat. If mercy of Mahaprabhu no come through Rup Goswami, then who can open these all secret things? That secret things open, and this came through Guru Parampara. Or when this thing came to Gurudev's, that time Gurudev's this giving so much. This cause Gurudev's of Gurudev, Nitya Priest Om Vishnupad, Ashtotar Bhakti Pragyan, Kesav Gosai Maharaj, one time saying to his god brothers, oh, I conquer South India, North India. After Mahaprabhu, who came in Brajas, Rup Sanatan and all Gaudiya Charjas, they know Bangla, Sanskrit, but Hindi areas, in them language, this all thing distribute to them was very hard. They try, but when this God Narayan came, then he fully this thing distributing. Nicely, easily they can understand. This cause I conquer North India. But not only North India, mercy of Gurudev, he conquer whole over world. We know our sanskar, our all thing how low. So manda sumanda matayo manda bhagya jhupa dhruta. Our fortune, our sanskar, our everything is so low. But Guru this thing giving very happily. When Gurudev went to especially foreign country, then there one place Gurudev first visiting said, "What are you thinking about Krishna?" Then they saying, "Our Swami Maharaj, our Prabhupada said, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead." They are saying this is truth. This is one step. But this is a step. You just take this step, support and come up. And now I am giving another thing. Same things but another bottle. That is what I came here telling to all of you. Krishna is Supreme Personality, Godhead, forget to that. It's not Supreme Personality of Godhead. Because in Braja, no one accepting like that. If no forget this thing, then you cannot enter to Brajas, Braja Bhaktis, pure Bhaktis. Because whose time Swami was what saying that time need to this thing, this one step. Without understanding Krishna Tattva, you cannot stay in Ras. But always carrying to Tattva, this is also burden. This is also headache. So one level, one category when come, that time have to this Tattva make to ground and stand up on that Tattvas and touch to that Ras. So forget. Gurudev always his katha saying, we how love Krishna, which mood, which type, which way. Then Gurudev always this one word used. This is Jiv Goswami, our Guru Vargas, especially Jiv Goswami, always this in commentary telling, Laukik Sad Bandhuvat. Laukik Sad Bandhuvat. Like one ordinary friends, each other, how things. One mother on child, how feel, how things. One friend, another friend, how feel. One beloved, no? One lover, how love. There no any restriction. If love Krishna like that, then you follow this type personality. Who love Krishna like that? This type Ragatmik Jan. Who have naturally affection for Krishna. Like Brajvasi, like Rup Sanatan, Jiv Goswami, our Gurudevs. They naturally love Krishna. They are not Raganuga. They are Ragatmik. They are eternal associate of Radhikas. They have deity, they are full deity of prema, full deity of love and affection. So this type Ragatmiks, this is the definition. Rup Goswami said that Gurudev again teaching to us. इष्टे स्वरस की राग परमावसिता भवेत तन्मयी जा भवेत भक्ति स रागात्मिको उदिता. इष्टे स्वरस की राग. In own birthwell deities, in Krishna, Brajvasi have naturally affection. Swaraski means naturally. Very simple way they attached to Krishna. So, Ishte Swaraski Raga Paramavastita Bhavet. So much aves, so much absorb. Who have this type bhakti soul in Sarupas, that called Ragatmik. This cause Brajvasi for Krishna affection, they know counting what is day, what is night. Day and night for them same. Anytime Krishna need to service, they're running behind Krishna. Or when they're running behind Krishna, that time they no care, my in feet, some throne coming, some stone coming, some wood coming, or some any snake or any scorpio, anything biting and giving disturbance, they no care anything. They just love for Krishna. Still you can see, originally Brajvasi, morning early 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, wake up, running for Mangalarti, running for bath to Jamna, running to here, there for Thakurji, running for Parikarma. This thing they don't learn Shastra Siddhanta, they naturally love. This is from Parampara comes. This is called Ragatmik. So Gurudev gave this type understanding. Gurudev is very clearly saying, every jiva have faith. All jiv made by faith, because in Swarupas, in soul, every have faith. Everyone faith somewhere. That faith is two types. One is ordinary, one is transcendental. Ordinary faith, like husband love to wife, father love to children, and friend love to friend. This world you can see, this is naturally love they have. This is material love. But this goes in transcendental way. Same love, same type, but this should be for Krishna. That called transcendental, Paramarth love, Paramarth prema, Paramarth bhaktis. When transcendental side going, there are also two divisions, Gurudev is saying. One is Vaidhi, one is Raganuga. Vaidhi also have agitation. They love God like friend, like son, like beloved, but too much agitation. Like Dwarka, Mathura, Ajodhyas, they like that. So saying in transcendental faith should be Lobhmayi. One is Shastrat Avdharnamayi or Attant evan Lobhmayi. Tad Madhurja Surte, Jajadhir Upechate na Jukti na Shastram cha, Tad Lobhotpatti Lachanam. Naturally hearing from Gurudevs or love. This miracle, when Gurudevs went to Western country or anywhere going to preaching this katha, anywhere hearing from Gurudevs' mouth this katha, naturally they love Krishna like Jasoda mother, like Braj Gopis, like Braj friends, like Subal. This type they like to following rule regulation. This type like to love to Krishna. Just hearing him from Gurudev's mouth kathas, or naturally they feel this type attachment, this type love. This is so hard. Gurudev saying, Jnanata Sulva Mukti, Bhukti Jagyadi Punyata, Seyam Sadhane Sahasre Hari Bhakti Sudurlabha. This type Braj Bhaktis, this type Raganuga Bhaktis, who are this Bhakti take shelter to eternal Brajvasis, Ragatmik. So rare. This not coming by sadhan. Sadhan is okay. But before sadhan, if not Gurudev's mercy, you cannot touch to this thing, cannot do any sadhan for that. This is saying Sudurlabha. So rare this Braj Bhaktis. You have Gyan, get Mukti, you have some Sukriti, you get some enjoyment. And you have some Vidhi rule regulation following, then you get to Vaikunthas. But Braja Bhaktis, many sadhan not help. Gurudev's only mercy. So who heard Gurudev's mouth katha, they so much close to Gurudev's. And Gurudev's, this Braj Bhaktis, this Rag Bhakti keep alive. Really in middle time, this period, Gurudev not come, then this Bhaktis, this mood will die. We could not find anywhere this time mood. This was my Diksha Gurus. My Diksha Gurus Nitla Prishtom Vishnupad, Ashtos Bhakti Jivan Janaran Goswami Maharaj. And Gurudev's also last stage, like any time can departure. My Gurudev was in Calcutta, somewhere in hospital, or that time Puchpa Narayan Goswami Maharaj bent and pranam, because my Gurudevs always come Mathuras, many years from Param Gurudev time, Bhakti Pragan Kesav Goswami times. A so deep relationship. So he's so much speaking to Radhika's kathas, Braja's kathas, Brajvasis kathas. Then Gurudev asked, what I do, you are also living. Then saying, don't be hopeless. What Rup Goswami, what Prabhupada, what is our Guru Varga giving? This bhaktis you preach without any hesitation. If you not preach, not tell this mood, then next generation, they will not understand anything. It's all hide. Or this is mission. His real mood, things hide. Because Mahaprabhu came for this mood. Anarpit charim chirat, karunaya vatirna kalo, samarpayitu natu javalarasam swabhakti sriyam, hari purata sundar duti kadamba sandipita, sada hirday kandres fartu Sachinandan. Sachinandan, Gaur Hari came this mood to give everyone this Braja Bhaktis. So if this thing not preach, then next generation not understand. Or if you no understand from Guru Parampara, then after this become very disturbed, very hodgepodge. Because any person own self try to understand or preach, cannot. Some can think, I have many books, Gurudevs. I have many Goswami's literatures. I can read myself and I can preach. But saying no, if no had Guru Paramparas, then you have no right to understand, read to this book. Read after first hear. Tat Survan Vipathan Vicharan Para. In Bhagavatam saying, if you like to transcendental thing understand, then first have to hear, then read, then think, then speak. So first necessary, without hearing you go to read, then yourself take meaning. If without master, if anyone can be a scholar, I know heard, then not necessary any university, any school, college. All stop, just go market, purchase book, and read, and become master, become teacher. But no. Pustake likhita vidya naiva siddhi prada nirnam. Guru binape shastrasmi nadhikar kadachana. In written shastra, this knowledge never give you any benefit. You have to hear from Gurudevs. After hearing, you can read. Then more nicely can understand. More clear will come. Or then, not just reading is enough. Also think how much we speak, what to speak. Because Shastra, many things written. Know everything we have to think of speak. Just take essence. Anubhyascha, Mahadvyascha, Shastre bhayo kuslo nara, Sarvatra saram adhyat puspe bhaya iva satpada. Who are intelligent, when Gurudev giving understanding power, then all books, you take essence like bee, honey bee. They're sitting many flowers, but just taking essence of that flower and making honey. So we also take essence, and nicely you can do bhajan, also can help to another people do bhajan. So Gurudev's how much help to us, how much give to us this mood, very easily, jugas, we cannot forget this kindness, this mercy. We always indebted to Gurudevs. We always can say, Jai Ho Gurudev, Jai Ho, He Radhika Priyajana, He Lalita Gananuga, He Sri Narayan Deva, Jayate Kirti Sarvada. He Sri Narayan Goswami, you are so close to Radhikas. Gurudev's kathas we heard, any katha, any type kathas. Last, this katha's essence, resting coming Radhikas. If Radharani Katha not speaks some 5-10 minutes Gurudev's in own class, then Gurudev no feel happy. My Diksha Guru same. And Gurudev is starting from Radhika and also ending from Radhika. Like, Ha Devi Kaku Bhargad Gadyad Vacha, Jache Nipat Dandavat Udbhatarti, Asya Prasadam Abudhasya Janasya Kritva Gandharvike Tabgane Gananang Videng. And Tavaivasmi na jivami tvaya vina iti vigyaya radhetang naimam charanantikam. So Gurudev, this mood. Also Gurudev so friendly, no? Visrambhena Guru Seva, saying Laukik Sad Bandhu Bad. Gurudev giving us relationship like Laukik, no ordinary friends type. Very closely we can go. And many things can ask, many things hear. Anything we giving Gurudev, Gurudev happily taking. Like Krishna saying, no, my bhaktas who love me, anything giving by bhakti, I take immediate on it. Patrang puspang phalang toyang, jo me bhaktaya prajachati, tad aham bhaktaya aphritam asnami prajatatmana. That time, taking from his hand and eating. Be anything bringing for Gurudevs, like Didi making sometimes jhinga posta, sometimes drum stick and posta, sometimes potato posta, sometimes parval posta, or when we taking to Gurudevs, Gurudev even sometimes took prasad, but is still pulling from hand. Give me, I will eat. So happy, no, like very easily taking our everything, because this is mercy of Gurudev. If not take, then how we can do bhaktis? How our sanskar sukriti develop? So Gurudev for giving us enthusiasm, anything. Sometimes Gurudev catching my kurtas, saying, where are you getting this? Haribol. Then I bring sometime making Bagal Bandi, Gurudev immediate take. Small Parnami, where are you getting this much Parnami? Like be very happy, giving enthusiasm. Gurudev no problem for Parnami, no Gurudev no care to Parnami. But anything we giving, saying where getting, how getting, like this type. So happy. Any seva. Mathura to be Jhulan Jatra time, maybe going to Rup Sanatan or crossing that door to this door or coming to Krishna Balram and doing jhulas. Sometimes saying, oh, I will not come, I have problem, I have this, that, but when time coming, that time Gurudevs come here. Rupa Goswami Tithis, who can forget? All Brajas Vasi, all scholars coming, all discussing these kathas. And after that, there's silence. From Gurudev mouth, like here some 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And 5-10 minutes, what Gurudev telling, this whole year can remember. This essence, so nice. On hearing this big scholar, they're saying, really, if you not come, then Brajas Bhaktis died. We pride of Brajvasi, but we don't know pure Bhaktis. Mahaprabhu also said, Brajas rule, regulation, understanding, so very hard to them tell to pure Bhaktis. But Rup Sanatan and Gurudev, they all came, they giving to Brajvasi this Mahaprabhu, because Mahaprabhu, real Brajvasi is Krishna. Or Krishna's mood, Krishna can give. So Krishna himself giving. Brajvasi always embraced to Gurudevs. Brajvasi too much love to Gurudev. Brajvasi gave Gurudev Jugacharya. You are this, what called this time in 21 Satabdis, centuries, you are acharyas. Before many acharyas, but this 21 centuries is Gurudev's name. This, his name in written golden letter, Jugacharyas. On all Brajvasi, giving this and feeling glad. So Gurudev how much gave to whole over world? Maybe my time is over. 3 minutes more, okay. So Gurudev how much give to this whole over world? We are all indebted, and we just say, hey Gurudev, Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. You are all language, no? Gaudiya Grantha Visvesu Sarva Bhasa Prakasine Sri Gaurangasya Bhakti Sriyam Vitranam Udarini. You are so generous. This Mahaprabhu's Bhaktis, Mahaprabhu this Bhakti just keep in India. Mahaprabhu time this Bhakti no go to whole over world. But you are more, one step more mercy than Mahaprabhu. You came out these areas and going to whole over world. And this thing distributing, what is Mahaprabhu no Swa Bhakti Sriyam. And this thing distributing without restriction. Every country, every place, no care who are you. You are Chinese, you are Russian, you are Japanese, you are American, you are British, you are Francis, you are any whole world, Nepali or anyone. Gurudevs give these things. So this type of things for everyone, this make whole world is one. The all division, no breaking. This Bhakti's love, no keeping any division. You are from where? This love making like one. So this type who giving, the Gurudevs like whole world conquer. One king, one fighter, no names coming. Some area they have no conquering, but too headache, too pain, too suffer. But Gurudevs without headache, without pain, just one embracing, just one word. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. This word whole over making one. Just one, our no Mahavakya, this thing will nicely follow. That is Tirnadapi Sunechena, Tarorapi Sahisunana, Amani na man dena, Kirtaniya Sadahari. This base, if follow Gurudev's word, we will whole world become one, and we want we be one. We are all our God brother. We came from Krishna, so why division? No division. Soul has no division. Krishna not make division. We are no separating, but by soul, by bhakti, by mood, we are one. This thing Gurudev gave whole world. So Gurudev mercy, who can say, who can explain? We just touching and becoming dumb, cannot more speak. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu bhayavacha patitanang pavane bhyo vaisnave bhyo namo. जय नितला पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोश भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज की जय। तदीय आविर्भाव शतवार्षिक महामहोत्सव की जय। श्री रूपानु गुरुवर्ग की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल।
Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you so much.
हरे कृष्ण।